In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off email notifications from LinkedIn. Now, there are three different notifications that you are going to see here on LinkedIn. One is from the app itself, so you can see it here. The second one is through your device, which you are going to see in here. And the last one is going to be in your email. Now, I'm going to show you how to turn them off. I'm going to go ahead and click my profile here, and then go ahead and click the settings. Now, from this point forward, you should be seeing here different options, but you have down here notifications. Go ahead and click that one. And then after doing so, what you're going to do is just basically try to go through all of these here to see which one you want to turn off. Now, I'm going to go ahead and give you an example for this one right here, searching for a job. And then here, what you are going to do is that if you want to turn off all of these here at once, you can just head over here and then click this one right here to toggle it off. So from this point forward, anything related to searching for a job will not be notified for you anymore. However, say for example, you just want to turn off some of them. For example, I'm going to turn this on. Now, for the job alerts, for example, again, these are three different notifications. One is from the app, one is to your device, and one is to your email. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off, for example, the email just like so. I can definitely do that one. And then the same thing here, save jobs, I can go ahead and turn off, say for example, for a device. And yep, that is basically how you're going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.